The new generation 2018 Porsche Cayenne has surfaced online, thanks to a British publication letting its story and images loose onto the interwebs a few days early. These images offer the first clear look at Porsche's new family SUV, after months of spy photos and the past week's worth of teasers released in the lead-up to its official unveiling on August 29. It will surprise you to see that the new Cayenne looks much like the old. Indeed, from the front and front three-quarter, most would be hard-pressed to spot any obvious changes. Move to the rear, though, and we see the Cayenne has picked up a version of the slender tail lamp design worn by its Panamera Sport Turismo wagon mate. Smoked gray backgrounds are bisected by a thin red LED bar, with both corner lenses connected through the center by a gray band for the Porsche logo and a second LED strip. The interior is likewise familiar, with the dash and console design taking its cues from both its predecessor and the newer Macan and Panamera models. A large new 12.3-inch display dominates the dash, which also boasts a more elegant and luxury-focused look than the previous model. The center console still features large grab bars, but the thick bezeled vertical vents of the outgoing generation's dash have been replaced with subtle black-framed horizontal units. Full technical details on the new Cayenne are still to come, although it is known the flagship variant will be driven by the 500 kW/850 Nm plug-in hybrid system that debuted in the Panamera S E-Hybrid, combining a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor. A less potent hybrid, simply dubbed E-Hybrid, featuring the company's 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 and an electric motor, is also likely to be offered. Under the skin, the Porsche Cayenne will use the Volkswagen Group's MLB platform for front and all-wheel drive cars with longitudinal engines. Once again, the Cayenne will be closely related to the Volkswagen Touareg, although this time around the two cars will have completely unique exterior designs.